Balancer is in a really unique position. As you can tell, it's still oversold. But before we get into all of this, none of this is financial advice. I'm not paid by the Balancer team in any way, and I'm currently invested in Balancer at the making of this video. If you want to come trade with me, there are limited spots available on the EPIQ Trading Floor. Check out epictradingfloor.com, EPIQ, or click that link that I tag in the video or in the description. That'll give you access to the academy, the courses, the trading floors, and all of that stuff. It also comes with a 3-day risk-free trial. So without further ado, roll the intro and let's get this video started. Now, Balancer, BAL, is the ticker, currently sitting number 399 on CoinGecko, sitting at a market cap of $209 million, which is very, very low. That would mean a 10x would put this at a $2 billion market cap, which is not very much. That would basically put us just within the top 100 projects currently. Now you have a total supply of 66 million. You have a max supply of 96 million, which means it's finite, it's deflationary, and the majority of the total supply is already in circulation. And you're not too far off from the max supply. You're about 30% away from the max supply being fully given out. So there is still some dilution within this project, but nothing too crazy, especially considering that it is finite and deflationary. Balancer itself is going to be listed as a decentralized exchange and a DeFi yielding platform. What makes this really interesting is that it's going to be cross-chain. You see Polygon, Base, Ethereum, Arbitrum, Avalanche, Optimism, Gnosis, Harmony, Energy, Near, Huobi, you name it, and this is probably just the start of their partnerships. And then if you actually look into the categories, as you know, I like to see a lot of portfolio money, and this one definitely has a lot. Alameda, Defiance, Pantera, Blockchain Capital. So there are a lot of things that this project can offer. There's a lot of potential for money to flow in, and it's already at a $1.2 billion TVL, which is going to be a major KPI or key performance indicator for DeFi protocols specifically. Now, on top of Balancer being available on all those ecosystems, what makes it really special for me personally is that this is going to be the first bull run where Ethereum is going to be a proof of stake project, which means that people are going to be able to earn staking rewards on Ethereum and are already earning staking rewards on Ethereum. Now, last bull run, it was a proof of work project and was flipping over into a proof of stake, but actually did not redeem any rewards or any of the earnings from, let's call it ETH2, until after the true bull run took place in 2021. So with this in mind, I can imagine that any of these DeFi protocols or liquidity pools or anything like that that allow people to get access not only to ETH, but anything related to ETH, like the layer 2 scaling solutions for Ethereum, on top of the staking benefits across the board, could see a lot of money flow in as a project. And if you're even looking at this from a pool perspective, they already have over 200 pages of pools available. And that's across all the major platforms that I was talking about: Arbitrum, Polygon, Ethereum, Maker, you name it. So the fact that this is sitting at a $200 million market cap, to me personally, is a steal. And within the last 4 days, they had a major macro news event that came out about Balancer V3 launching in partnership with Aave. Aave has obviously been crushing it in the DeFi protocol space as well. So with Aave being able to boost the pools for Balancer and them working together, Balancer will reap the benefits of this partnership significantly, and I could see this really going parabolic through 2025. If you're looking at this from a trading perspective, there is a little bit of weakness and downside potential that's existing. Now, mind you, volume is inflowing heavily, so that's a good thing to see for the bulls, but you're in a bearish crossover. If this really wanted to pull down to, let's say, $2.55 or even $2.17, that would still maintain a very bullish sentiment going long term. Now, if this wanted to test the local range high of 2024, that's going to be at about $6. That puts you still at about just shy of a 2x move from current price. And if this wanted to go parabolic and test prices that were from the all-time highs and range highs from 2021, you're looking at a low end of 900% gains. If you're looking at this from a trading perspective, you do have a little bit of downside weakness, but if you're looking at this from an investment perspective, you're still testing range lows and basically prices that you're testing in 2022 and 2023. So like we talk about a lot, projects that are still testing bear market prices have the highest probability of swinging to the top side because they are going to be considered oversold. And this is going to wrap up the video on Balancer. Again, if you want to come trade with me, go check out the EPIQ Trading Floor. I'll leave that link in the description. Or you can just go check out EPIQ Trading Floor.com. Hit that follow button. Hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. If you learned anything in this video, make sure to smash that like button. It'll be greatly appreciated. I hope everyone has a great morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on wherever you tune in the world. And I will see you in the next video.